Hello guys, so today we'll see another free traffic source. That is Craigslist, and this is another traffic source. More than 50 million monthly visitors. So here we can utilize that free traffic for all of it. So after selecting a product from marketplace, just get the affiliate link and you need to go to this Craigslist. It is actually a forum website which is having all the services which works like community people interacts and job searching people will be available in their profiles, which is global actually. So you can see in Australia, all the places, Sydney, Asia Pacific, worldwide. If you can filter language wise also. So here services, what and all services are available on this. Also service wise you can filter and just go get the people. So forums you can see are related, games related forums or beauty, cosmos, whatever, legal, everything, almost all are available. So you can have a look on this website. So once you get your affiliate link, you need to share that with the people available here. And there are multiple people from different requirements are available. See, for sale. So people who are having some things are for sale also. So what is this sale? We can see $1,000 available. See, these are the products. They are ready to sell those things. So that's it. So here you can see, apart from all these, you can find some resumes and some gigs also. So you can see temporary jobs and CVs also. So you can utilize all these CVs data or the people who are available in the discussion forums in different niches, different categories, travel categories, sports, science, a lot of religion categories. You can find the people and you can contact them. Just by contacting them, you can share the affiliate link. For example, if you are promoting a sports product from the marketplace, just you can go to the forum, sports forum, find some people who are, all the people are related to sports. So you can find sports related people and start posting your affiliate. And CVs also you can utilize. Otherwise leave about all these things. Just get the CVs who are looking for job. Ask them to promote and get some sales for themselves so that they can earn some money by doing that. They can share that affiliate link with others as like uh, other people, other affiliates. So that's how you can use this Craigslist website and get some affiliate sales. So after this, actually, let us talk about this DC store. Why we need to choose only DC store? Because see, in DC store, ClickBank also, they both are same, which provide from different niches. All the products are available from different niches. Here we can see almost 300 plus around 400 products in the DC store. But if you compare with the ClickBank, that is a huge marketplace where we can find thousands of products and hundreds of products from all the niches. But same products also will be available in the different same both marketplaces. So not only this DC store and ClickBank, there are multiple marketplaces which provide different products from different categories or niches. Like CJ, we'll discuss about CJ and share a sale, JVZoo, and a lot of other things also available. We will discuss, we'll do one specific video about the marketplaces. So why do we need to choose these? Means because we can see a lot of products are digital products. Physical products are very less, very less. Skincare products and supplements. There are two categories in physical products. They need to be shipped from the vendor to the customer. So there are three results only from the skincare, head and beauty, some other two, EMF protection, the defense protection for naturally is different. So there are only three from skincare, and the supplements we can say 42 products are available. Supplements like these are the pills actually. Tablets, supplements, all are all these physical products need to be shipped. So overall we have 45 products, physical products. Apart from that 45, almost more than 300 are digital products. So what is the advantage of digital products? Digital products can be sold without without taking care of shipping, delivering, and billing and other things. We can just place an order, customer can buy and make the purchase, and everything, transaction and everything can be done online. So there is no need to think about shipping and billing and anything. So it is quite easy. So that is the reason we can consider these marketplaces like a DC store. So and also registration is free compared to other ClickBank. ClickBank, they are not providing, not approving for some countries like India, but DC store, without thinking, in just a couple of minutes you will get approval. Maybe 24 hours they will take, they'll keep under review, but you will get approval mail for sure 100% in 24 hours. So that's what we can choose and promote these products, digital products. So that's all for today. We'll discuss some other tips in next video. Thank you.